Seniors on Medicare now have new tools to help them see the doctor without actually going into an office. This after Medicare announced today it would immediately expand coverage for telemedicine nationwide to help seniors with health problems stay home to avoid the coronavirus. News 8's Jenny Drasler spoke to local doctors. She joins us from Community Health North with what this means for you.
Officials here at Community Health say this is something that they were glad to see happen, as it's a change that could potentially save hundreds of lives. President Trump announced the move today in a news conference. The new option will allow millions of older people to take care of ongoing medical problems, as well as new concerns while heeding public health advice to stay home during the coronavirus outbreak. Tuesday's announcement allows clinicians and hospitals to bill Medicare for visits via telemedicine that previously had to take place in person at a medical office or facility. Dr. John Kunzer with Community Health North says these visits can be done over telemedicine apps like Teladoc or MD Live. The directive also loosens regulations, so doctors can now also take calls over Skype or FaceTime.
This is such a big deal for us because the most important thing that folks can do during this crisis is to stay at home. And we still want to care for our patients in the safest places in your home. And so to be able to do this instead of the traditional face-to-face visit, now we can do this by telephone or by video visits.
For seniors who don't navigate technology, relatives or friends can assist. Dr. Kunzer says before, calls over FaceTime and Skype weren't considered secure enough to be covered under HIPAA. But now, under the new rules, the Health and Human Services Office for Civil Rights will not be enforcing applicable HIPAA violations. Expanded telemedicine coverage will remain in effect during the outbreak. Dr. Kunzer says he expects other healthcare providers to follow in Medicare's lead and expand their telehealth coverage during this pandemic as well. On the Northeast side, Jenny Drasler with TV News 8.